Start by putting the Capnut tool on the ground and place your Capnut on top. Position the axle into the Capnut and hit it hard with a hammer one time. You've now secured the Capnut to the axle. Axle assembly with Capnuts. First, take your Capnut tool and place it underneath the wheel and put the body back down onto the floor. Take a washer and slide it over the axle. Next, you'll put your wheel on the axle, now the hubcap, then the Capnut on top of the axle. Hold the product and hit firmly with a hammer one time. Check to make sure your wheel spins freely.